7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, my name is Flex and this is my Mecca skin. Is that a look? First things first, I take some micellar water and I take off all the sticky bits off my face just because I need less to do when I actually start cleansing. Then another round and I do my eyes. That'll do. Then I take this cleansing balm, scrape the back of my nail in it, and then use that to take off my base, the excess of my eyes, my cheeks, brows, highlights, all of it. And this gets a little bit messy, so I prefer to be wearing a hoodie, but you know, when in Rome. Okay, sick. And then I wash it off. Now, my skin and I, we're pretty chill. We don't really do much in terms of product, but what I did learn on the internet somewhere is that double cleansing is a good thing. So I do it and it works out well because my skin is like blemish free and almost perfect. So I'm gonna go in with another cleanser. I usually use a cleansing oil first and then just a hydrating cleanser afterwards. One that smells nice. Okay, so my skin is usually good to me, but every now and then I get a bit of texture around my cheeks and my forehead, and I was recommended this Drunk Elephant serum. It's very good because it did this meaning made my skin perfect. So what I do is after I double cleanse, I take a little bit of this, and you have to make sure your skin is super dry. As in, not dry and flaky, but just not wet. Like, towel it down well, and then you just rub it in. And granted, the magic won't happen overnight, but it's worth being consistent with this one. Sick. And then after that, I go straight in with my favorite face cream in the whole wide world. I can't say enough good things about it. It's from Go To Skincare. And it's so good. It's the type of thing I put on my face and people think I'm wearing foundation. So I take an obnoxious amount because I don't know portion control. And I just rub it into my skin. Do you see what I mean? Like, I don't mean to alarm you, but it's just perfect. And then on extra crusty nights, I might do a double layer just for fun, but I like to avoid that.
Your skin looks insane.
I'm telling you. And it's one of those things where I didn't think that you could be obsessive about a face cream. I don't know why this one is so special though, but I mean, it says a few things here, replenishing oils, that might be it. And then I'm gonna put on a bit of lip balm because, like I said, crustiness is not my portion. And just a little bit of that. Look at yourself for 3 to 5 minutes, say 2 or 3 affirmations, and you'll wake up beautiful. First affirmation, when you know better, you do better. Second affirmation, if you want it, it's yours, but only if you really, really want it. And the third affirmation is, don't be afraid to not do too much. It's okay to relax. And then you go to Slumberland, deep REM, you might lucid dream, you'll wake up between 8 a.m. and midday, depending on what your work schedule is like. Your skin's glowing, you might put on makeup, you might not. Voila. And that's it. That's just the routine done. You ready? Farewell.